Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best car polisher for car detailing 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best car polisher. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. DEWALT Buffer Polisher. The DEWALT Buffer Polisher is a powerful and reliable tool designed to deliver professional quality polishing, waxing, and finishing results on cars, boats, motorcycles, and other painted surfaces. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it provides consistent power for removing swirl marks, scratches, oxidation, and other surface imperfections while creating a smooth, glossy finish. Its variable speed control allows users to adjust the polishing speed according to different materials and detailing tasks, ensuring maximum precision and safety. Built with durability in mind, the DEWALT Buffer Polisher features a rugged construction that can withstand demanding workshop and job site conditions. The ergonomic handle and balance design reduce user fatigue during extended polishing sessions, while the comfortable grip offers excellent control for accurate results. Compatible with a wide range of polishing pads and accessories, it is suitable for both beginners and professional detailers. Whether you're restoring faded paint, applying wax, or achieving a showroom-quality shine, the DEWALT Buffer Polisher delivers dependable performance, long-lasting durability, and impressive finishing results every time. Number 2. The Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher is a versatile detailing tool designed to help beginners and professionals achieve a flawless, swirl-free finish. Powered by a durable motor with variable speed control, it delivers smooth and consistent performance for polishing, waxing, compounding, and removing light scratches. Its random orbital motion minimizes the risk of paint damage, making it safe for use on all paint types, including clear coats. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip reduce fatigue during extended detailing sessions, while the lightweight construction ensures excellent control and precision. Compatible with a wide range of polishing pads and compounds, the TORQX adapts easily to different detailing tasks, from paint correction to applying protective waxes and sealants. Whether you're restoring faded paint or maintaining a showroom-quality shine, this machine offers reliable results with minimal effort. It's an excellent investment for car enthusiasts seeking professional-grade performance, user-friendly operation, and long-lasting durability in one affordable polishing system. Number 3. The Makita 9237CX 3/7-inch variable speed polisher is a professional-grade polishing tool designed for achieving a flawless finish on cars, boats, motorcycles, and other painted surfaces. Powered by a robust 10-amp motor, it delivers consistent performance for polishing, buffing, sanding, and finishing applications. Its variable speed dial allows users to adjust the speed from 600 to 3,200 revolutions per minute, providing precise control for different materials and tasks. The soft start feature ensures smooth startups, while the electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for uniform results. An ergonomic rubberized loop handle offers improved comfort and control during extended use, reducing user fatigue. The included accessory kit features polishing pads, a backing pad, and a durable carrying case, making it ready for professional detailing right out of the box. Built with Makita's renowned durability and reliability, the 9237CX3 is an excellent choice for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts seeking high-quality polishing performance. Number 4. AOBEN's 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher. AOBEN's 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher is a powerful and beginner-friendly machine designed to deliver professional-quality paint correction and polishing results. Featuring a 9mm orbit, it provides the ideal balance of cutting power and smooth finishing, making it perfect for removing light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and other paint imperfections. Its ergonomic design, comfortable grip, and lightweight construction help reduce user fatigue during extended detailing sessions. The variable speed control allows precise adjustment for different polishing, compounding, and waxing tasks, giving users greater control over every project. Built with a durable motor and high-quality components, this polisher offers reliable performance for both enthusiasts and professional detailers. It is compatible with a wide range of polishing pads and compounds, making it versatile enough for various vehicle finishes. Whether you're restoring faded paint or applying a flawless final polish, AOBEN's 9mm Dual Action Car Polisher delivers consistent, smooth, and impressive results while helping protect your vehicle's finish. Number 5. The AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher is a powerful and versatile tool designed to help you achieve a professional quality finish on your vehicle. Equipped with a high-performance motor and adjustable speed settings, it can handle a wide range of detailing tasks, including polishing, waxing, buffing, and light sanding. Its ergonomic D-shaped handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. The random orbital action minimizes swirl marks, making it safe for beginners while still delivering excellent results. The kit typically includes multiple foam pads, sanding discs, and accessories, allowing you to tackle different surfaces and projects with ease. Whether you're restoring faded paint, removing light scratches, or applying a protective wax, the AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher offers consistent performance and reliable control. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, boats, and even household surfaces, it combines durability, convenience, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and anyone looking to maintain a showroom-quality shine.